A man, a pregnant woman, and their 5-year-old son woke up to chaos as LMPD executed a falsified search warrant.
They were Breonna Taylor's neighbors, and now they're filing a lawsuit against one of the former LMPD officers federally charged for her role in that botched raid. WDRB's Christy Batista tells us what's in this lengthy lawsuit. Christy?
Well, a lot of the details in these 90 pages here are things we already know. It's basically saying Kelly Goodlett admitted fault when she pleaded guilty to those conspiracy charges last month. LMPD is accused of encouraging that behavior by not providing proper training.
We, as citizens of Louisville, in any city in this country, cannot have police doing what they did that night.
Walk back to my voice! Walk back or I'll send this dog!
The 90-page lawsuit alleges that because Kelly Goodlett has already pleaded guilty to conspiracy in the raid on Breonna Taylor's apartment, she's admitting to putting the plaintiffs in harm's way.
And a lot of other people in harm's way. But she absolutely put my clients in harm's way that night. And in all honesty, she put her fellow LMPD officers in harm's way that night.
Louisville attorney Jeff Sexton represents the family who lived next door to Taylor. A dad, a pregnant mom, and a 5-year-old woken up in the middle of the night.
Little slug and casings in here.
By bullets nearly missing their heads as they lay in bed.
And they were literally scared to death. And Cody Etherton had drywall and wood splinters flying in his face. And thank goodness, Chelsea, being 6.5 months pregnant, did not get in the way of a bullet, but those bullets were entering a wall right next to where a 5-year-old was laying his head asleep. So it was bad, very, very bad.
Last month, Kelly Goodlett admitted she knowingly included false information in the search warrant affidavit used to raid Taylor's home and then conspired with another officer to cover it up. The lawsuit filed Tuesday states that when she pleaded guilty, she violated the neighbor's rights, knowing that the warrant was inaccurate and contained false information. Yet she said nothing and allowed the night to unfold, knowing it was going to be executed by armed LMPD officers at night in an occupied apartment complex.
Someone will go to prison, and well, they should. However, those were puppets. The puppeteers, LMPD, their supervisors, all the way up to the mayor's office, they are at fault, if not more so than those cops that night, and they will not get any punishment.
The family is seeking a jury trial and damages. We've reached out to Goodlett's lawyer but have not heard back yet. LMPD says they cannot comment on pending litigation. With photojournalist Neil Johnson, I'm Christy Batista, WDRB News.